Hey friends, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, I welcome you. I'm back, you all, with a Bath & Body Works haul. I promised you all that I would be back to share my items that I ordered online. Honestly, the UPS guy is going to hate me for the next week because I have just way too many packages on the way. So I'm going to apologize in advance to UPS because it's not my fault. It's B&BW's fault because I've been trying to get my hands on things that I was not able to pick up while in store day one for the Disney release. So I was able to add some things to the collection that I'm super excited to share with you all. So in this haul, I will be hauling candles as well as some goodies that I picked up online. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul. If you do enjoy videos like this, be sure to thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. You are welcome here. Let's get started. So you guys, I finally had 2 boxes arrive that I will unbox with you all. But first, I want to start with my favorite things, which are candles. So let's start with this big bag here. And the bag is trying to rip. Okay. So there still is a $13.95 candle sale going on at select stores. So I've been only shopping that particular store with the $13.95 promotion. Some other stores in my area are only doing the 10 off candles. So that's not a good deal for me. So I stick to the stores that have the better promotion, which I think is pretty smart. So I decided to pick up the Disney Princess Cinderella candle. I first hauled picking up 2 of the Tiana candles that I absolutely adore. I'm kind of late to picking up the princess candle collection. I just wasn't wowed with all of the scents, particularly the candles. So I'm just only picking up my favorites. So far it's Tiana and Cinderella and also Ariel. So I really do love the design for these limited edition candles, definitely. The fragrance notes for Cinderella are gardenia petals, enchanting musk, sapphire, blue amber. I love this one. Like I mentioned before, this is one of my top Disney scents from this collaboration. What you have here is white wax with the rope-like wicks. I cannot wait to burn this candle, you guys. I've been in love with Cinderella. It's so clean. It smells like clean, fresh soap, in my opinion, but in the best floral way. The musk in here is blended very well with the amber. And I just love the gardenia petals, you guys. The gardenia is not too heavy, in my opinion. It's definitely like a grown woman, sexy, clean scent. This is a fantastic scent, and to be able to get these candles for $13.95, I'm super happy about that. So yes, that's one Cinderella 3-wick candle that I decided to add to my collection. And I was told today is the last day for that candle sale. And I also picked up another Cinderella candle. I love how the color blue fades into like more like an ombre. I really do like that a lot. And then you have the quote on the back with her signature. I love this. Okay, you guys, so this weekend I've been on the hunt for shimmer mist, and for some reason every store has been out of shimmer mist. I'm not sure why they flew off the shelves so fast. The shimmer mists are nowhere to be found in stores. I also checked online this morning. I did not see any shimmer mists available for sale. So what happened to all the Disney Diamond shimmer mists? I really wanted to take advantage of the buy 3 get 3, especially on the shimmer mist, but those shimmer mists flew off the shelves. So, and I understand it's princess season right now and that's what they're promoting. So the beautiful diamond shimmer goes with the whole princess aesthetic. I get it, but you guys could have left a couple for your girl, okay? I did pick up Tiana and one Cinderella, and I had high hopes that if I went back to the store that I'll be able to pick up the other princess diamond shimmer mist, such as Moana. I definitely wanted like 3 of the Moana shimmer mist because I really do like that scent. But I did have to call around, and all stores are sold out. So everyone has been taking advantage of the buy 3 get 3. I totally get it, but most stores are stocked with body care, but the shimmer mists are gone. So I was just so sad, but I'm happy to have Cinderella and also Tiana. But I was only able to look up and come across one of each, which is Jasmine and also Ariel. So I ended up having to pay full price for each of these, but they are beautiful. So Jasmine has more of a teal turquoise color. So beautiful, you guys. And the shimmer in this one is silver. So beautiful. The detail for Jasmine is gorgeous. Not my favorite scent. I do like it in candle form, but I did let my husband smell Jasmine. He mentioned that he thought Jasmine was more for a guy. I'm thinking about getting him the shower gel for Jasmine because he really does like that scent. I'm not crazy about it on me personally, but I definitely wanted to have the shimmer mist as part of my collection. So I was able to come across just one. This is what it looks like on the back. The fragrance notes are sparkling jasmine flower, jeweled currants, and soft woods. So this one is more of a woodier scent. It does smell very different. It doesn't smell like anything that I've smelled before from Bath & Body Works. So yeah, I did pick up one of those, but not happy about paying full price. And then I also was able to pick up one Ariel Diamond Shimmer Mist, and I actually had to call the store and ask them to hold it for me because they had sold out of all of their shimmer mist. So she was nice enough to hold this one for me, and I went by and picked that up. So this one is more of like a sea green color, and the shimmer in this one is also like it has gold shimmer. So pretty. I love Ariel, you guys. And the water beads on here, let me bring it closer. The water beads actually reflective. Can you guys see that? So much detail on the labels. Very, very pretty. So really happy to have those at least. And the buy 3 get 3 I believe ends today as well, because the promotion tomorrow I think is going back to buy 3 get 1. So I'm going to call a store tomorrow to see if when they get shipment tomorrow, if they receive any additional shimmer mist. I need Moana as part of my collection, so I want to pick up a few more shimmer mist, specifically Moana. So yeah, that's the body care that I picked up. And on to the candles. Now this candle I shared in my prior haul, and I decided to go ahead and stock up on this Easter candle release. It is a new candle, and I've already hauled this one, so I'm pretty sure you guys, if you watch my last haul, you know what I'm gonna pull out this bag. So I'm gonna take the candle crate out. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I explained that I was going to stock up on this candle during this $13.95 candle sale, which I think is every bit worth it because I've already started my burn on this candle, and I absolutely love it. It's something that I think is very nice to burn or warm for spring if you're into more sweeter scents. It's not so much gourmand, but it is a sweet one, and it is very candy-like, and I think it's perfect for Easter. So I did stock up, like I mentioned, on the Easter candy basket, you guys. So no judgment here. Like I always stock up on the things that I like the most. So that's what that looks like. And the price point for this candle is $32.95. So I was not gonna pass up taking advantage of the $13.95 price point. So I picked up 6 of the Easter candy basket Easter candles. I'm now gonna reposition my camera so I can unbox my online order with you all. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start with this baby here. I'm gonna readjust my camera a little bit. There we go. And I'm super excited, you guys, because I was not able to get my hands on this particular item while I was shopping the Disney release day one. I was so sad, but I know that I figured there's no way that they would not restock this. So I was finally able to place an order. I believe there was a limit for this item. So yes, you guys, I finally was able to pick up the Belle pocket back holder. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is too adorable. I totally understand why this piece was highly sought after as part of their Disney collection. It is so gorgeous, you guys. So this is what it looks like on the back. It says Disney Princess there. You have a button at the top to turn it on, which is right here. And these pocket back holders are reward eligible. So at $14.95, you can use your rewards on these for sure. So I absolutely love the rose here. It is so much detail on this. This is super cute. So I picked up 5 of the Belle pocket back holders. And there were quantity limits on this one, so I expected to only be able to get 5. I don't need more than 5. So yes, this is what it looks like on the top. And it has the gold clasp here. So I'm super excited. I purchased these for myself and my daughter, and also to gift as well. So I love this, you guys. Nagi, no. And I really had to act fast once I saw these become available online. I just happened to be online and I saw that they restocked these, and if I've never checked out so fast, I definitely checked out. And stores have not restocked. This piece is just that popular, as well as the Belle coin purse. So Belle seems to be the winner for this Disney release, and I kind of understand why, although I love Tiana and Cinderella. As for accessories, Belle definitely is the star. On to my last online order. I did decide, you guys, I'm super excited about this piece. Okay, so that's everything for that box. I'm gonna move this out the way. I'm super excited for this piece because although I had picked up some minis in the Disney fragrances, I wanted to have this collector's like princess box, because I think this is just a gorgeous gift to gift someone. And also, I didn't purchase all of the princess fine fragrance mist. I was missing jasmine. So yes, super happy once I was able to place an order for this beauty here. And you have all of the princess silhouettes displayed above each travel size mist. And you have like their motivational quote above. So this is Moana. Here is Ariel. This is so pretty. You also have Belle here. You have Tiana here. And you have Cinderella here. So this box is too cute. I'm not going to dismantle this box, as I was checking out Bonnie's unboxing for this item, and I saw her struggles with unboxing this, and I don't have an engineering degree, so I'm not going to take this apart. I'm just going to put it away. Yeah, I absolutely love this. The price point on here, I thought it wasn't too bad to be able to get the entire collection. The price point is $38.95. You bring that closer. $38.95. I did have 15% off, as I was able to get a 15% off pop-up online, so that was cool. And on the top it says Disney Princess, and you have like the princess artwork on the top of the box here. So I think this is so gorgeous. Let me know down below if you guys picked up this item. I would love to know. I think it's every bit worth it. Definitely a nice limited edition piece to add to my collection. So yes, I'm going to reposition my camera for the final time so I can give you all a final visual of everything that I picked up. Be right back. Okay friends, I'm back with the final visual of all the items that I picked up and unboxed with you all today. So first, starting off with the Belle pocket bag holders that I was able to pick up online, and these actually ship pretty quick. I ordered these maybe about 4 days ago, so I was expecting it to be a bit longer, but I was so excited once I got the shipping confirmation, because I was getting a little bit scared that they may canceled, but I was so happy that they shipped. Also, I picked up the Diamond Shimmer Mist in Jasmine, as well as Ariel, and I also picked up backups during the sale of the Easter Spring Easter Candy Basket 3-wick candle, as well as wanted to add Cinderella 3-wick candle to the collection. And lastly, this beautiful limited edition Princess Travel Mist set. Super cute. So cute, you guys. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up. I really hope you all enjoyed this haul. If you did, be sure to leave me some comments down below. Are you all ordering online for items that perhaps you may have missed out on? That's the best way to go, as there hasn't been much luck in my area on restocks of accessories. But I would love to know, has any of your stores restocked any of the princess accessories or even the shimmer mist? I would love to know. If you made it all the way through this unboxing, I so appreciate you all. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.